Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com and I would like to discuss today the euro and Great Britain pound cross as markets are still in a consolidation mode and markets are still in ranges in this holiday period despite let's say many attempts of a break. I would say that this euro Great Britain pound is forming a triangle here. The triangle is the one that starts from here with the B2D trend line, and if you project it on the daily chart being this one, you see that actually has been broken, and then by the time the support of the B2D trend line has been broken, it acts only as a resistance. What should be the next logical step to look for? Well, of course, the lows in the previous D wave, which is the lows are 78.01, so around 0.78, and of course the lows in the previous wave B, and that means 77.60 area, 77.66, as this is where this euro Great Britain pound is going. This is the triangle that actually is forming on the daily chart, and this triangle is done since before Christmas in, let me see here, 8 days. So this is more than 1 week that this triangle is broken. But because we are witnessing a low liquidity environment as market participants are on holiday, ranges still hold. If you go even on the bigger picture, and if you go and zoom out, for example, on the weekly chart, and then these lows on the previous spike lower, talking about 77.51, were not broken. It was only this A, B here, the B wave of this triangle. So these lows are still there and normally should attract price. So regardless how you put it, but this euro Great Britain pound at this moment of time, at this level, looks quite bearish, and especially looks bearish heading into next year. So what I would like to do, of course, is to buy put options on the pair, as I would say the path of this resistance is still to the downside. I would choose end of year expiration date, so tomorrow, for half of investment, and for the other half I would look for end of week, that means Friday, by the time the US equity markets are going to be closed. Now let's write here that I'm buying put options with end of year and end of week expiration date. What does it mean in terms of the actual length of the option? Well, basically it means that we should wait a little bit more than 1 day for the end of year, because tomorrow is going to be the 31st, and for end of week we should look for something like 3 days from now, as Friday is the end of the week. Again, this triangle that is forming on such an important support level here is nothing but a continuation pattern, and we should be aware of that. Thank you very much for being here. fairbinaryoptions.com. We just look with bearish eyes at euro Great Britain pound. Bye bye.